6 Christmas beauty tips to make you sparkle. We believe in something more special than Santa, well, almost, and that's feeling golden about yourself on the inside and out this Christmas. 6 slaying beauty tips and tricks. 1. Dunk nails to dry. You're running late for the Christmas party, but you've just painted your nails with an amazing sparkle that takes ages to dry. What to do? Tip: dunk your nails in ice cold water and they will dry super fast, trust us. 2. Add face oil to foundation. Forget fake tan, or pressing on bronzer every hour. If you're looking to achieve a golden glow in the middle of winter, this is the only tip you need to sparkle. Tip: add a few drops of golden face oil to your foundation for a natural glow. 3. Cleanse with milk. Sipping on cocktails all December will dehydrate you and can leave your skin dry and dull. It has a festive fact. Tip: your moisturizer won't be enough to get your skin looking fresh, so buy some cleansing milks containing hyaluronic acid. 4. Turmeric teeth trick. All the hot chocolates and gingerbread lattes consumed during this season can wreak havoc on your teeth. Tip: not heard of the turmeric trick? Try this. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with an equal amount of water to make a thick paste. 2. Use the paste to brush your teeth gently for 3-4 minutes. 3. Rinse until water is clear and repeat this regularly to achieve fast results. Warning: turmeric doesn't taste great and will stain your toothbrush, but it will get your teeth sparkling. 5. Exfoliate lips for Christmas kisses. With mistletoe everywhere and a big New Year's Eve kiss to look forward to, you need to keep your lips looking luscious and healthy too. Tip: exfoliate lips regularly by mixing some honey and brown sugar together and rub on your lips for a quick fix. 6. Treat your feet. Party season will take its toll on your feet, leaving them feeling swollen, blistered and under pressure. If you want to keep dancing into the night at all your VIP events, treat your feet to a little pampering. Tip: every 3 to 4 days before bed, use a pumice stone to gently remove hard skin, moisturize and cover with cotton socks to intensify the foot treatment. Your dancing feet will stay soft all season.